In this quick and dirty tutorial, I'm going to show you the sculpting tools, specifically the grid tools, because with that one you can create rough shapes and detailed shapes very, very quickly in World Creator. So to do that, go to the shape layers here, click and add a sculpt layer like that. Then next go to edit, and instead of using the brush tools, which will look like this, you go to the grid tools, select add. Now you can see that there's a grid here showing up in the viewport. You can choose the resolution of that grid, which means it gives you more detail that you can select here. For example, 64 or 128. And then you just do the following. You're actually selecting grid cells. And the operations here below show what's possible to do with these selected grid cells, depending on the operation that you selected here. So in this case, we're choosing add, which means we're adding to the current elevation values. So if we hold down the left shift key and moving up, we can do this or this. We can do also a smoothing around these corners using the mouse wheel while we keep the shift key down. So I could, for example, increase that one here, choosing a larger area, moving down again a little bit, and then do the following like this. At this point, we reached and created a very, very rough shape of our terrain. Now, let's say we want to do a river by design, which should be very high detailed. That's also very easy to do because we can just add another sculpt layer, click here on add. Then we're choosing we can go to edit, we see the cells here. Now we didn't need a higher detail to be edited because we want the river to be very fine. So we go here to, let's say 64 or maybe even higher, but I think that's okay. And we can go and use a higher level step for the edit. So that means we could choose our river here, for example, and then just do the following, moving it downwards like that. If it's still not perfect like this, then the best thing you can do is playing with the level steps a little bit, increasing the level steps to a much higher level, and trying again. And then you get the details that you want for that kind of sort of river here. Well, so pretty easy, isn't it? Okay, hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, stay safe, and bye-bye.